Hello again, it's Noob, and I think, I might get this the wrong way around, but I think this is an LZ Seclox. Very cool lock indeed. I really like it. I think it's French, and here are the keys for it. This was lent to me by GravityKarma. You might know him from LPU on Discord or UK Locksport forum. And yeah, he lent me this when we met up. So this is the 2048-45 model. So actually maybe this is the Seclox-Elzett 2048-45. Maybe Seclox-Elzett is the company. I just thought it was Elzett. Ah, what do you know? Anyway, let's pop this in a vise and give it a bit of a pick. So let's pop this quickly in the vise and let's make it nice and tight. The key works beautifully, and here it is, 5 pins. The bitting isn't too extreme, but the very low pin 3 can be a little bit tricky on this. So yeah, let's grab a top of the keyway tension tool, bit of bent wiper blade and a medium hook, a gem, and just move around the keyway and just come back through. So that's pin 3, little tap and click, back through to the back. 5, 4, 2 there. Anything on 1? Not yet. I'll click on 5 there and 1. So now it's just going through, just tap tops of the pins and see what I haven't picked. That's 2 again, nice click, and nothing on 1. So sometimes when it's in this position, I don't know why, but I find that just tapping the pins can sort of get you to that final set. And I don't know why it's sort of like this. So I'm on pin 5, for example, it feels set. I'm on pin 4, feels set. Pin 3, pin 2, little click, pin 1, and there we go, we got the open. And now we've got the open, hopefully the shackle will have slid out. It's very, it sort of just slides out almost silently, look. So very cool little lock, really nice. I love the form factor of this, just that classic sort of almost figure of 8 or bowling pin shape, I guess, of profile. It's really cool, really lovely lock. So yeah, that's the LZ Seclox, I think it is. So yeah, very cool look indeed. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like. If you have a comment, leave one below. I read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, really helps me out, and I'll see you all next time.